For today video is this is the it's not done yet plumbing, so this is look like they're gonna start another house. So that's look like plumbing before everything else. You have plumbing first. So this is look like here. That's the way we building house. We build the house like this in here. This is this is a castle dream home, our builder house. This is our castle dream home, our builder house here. This is his big place. So this is look like